Hey everyone, just showing a set of TLS calipers we finished up and also a set of rears, all done in a Cerakote V-Series finish. Color is Cobalt. The V-Series Cerakote is very high temperature resistant and it won't fade under hard use like powder coat or fade or color shift. Powder coat just cannot hold up to extended temperatures for long periods of time. So if you're tracking the vehicle, putting it under hard use, powder coat will generally start to change colors on you. So yeah, these were done in Cerakote. You'll not have that problem with this. So if you're interested in getting your TLS calipers done in Cerakote finish, just reach out to us before you place an order on our website. It's not currently an option on the website where you can order Cerakote finish, but we can definitely send you an invoice to get that service done instead of powder coat. And as you can see here, the rears have been powder coated to match. Also outfitted these with brand new pad hardware, and everything's nice and matching. So if you have any further questions or want to get more info on our TLS caliper kit and our brake caliper rebuilding services, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order the TLS caliper kit for your Honda or Acura. It does fit a lot of different vehicles. And if you want to send your rears in to get them coated to match, we can definitely handle that as well. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.